Hi everyone and welcome back to my Forex channel. So in this session I will show you how you can grow your small Forex account using super simple strategy. So hi guys, from the other side of the screen, and I have been asked this question a lot of times and many people requested me to do this, so I thought I will make a video about how to grow a small account using the simplest strategy in the Forex trading. And it is the simplest and one of the easiest strategies to follow, but you still have to stay disciplined, and this is the key principle on how you grow small Forex account. And guys, if you do have any questions for me or you have any issues while applying this strategy, send me a message on my social media or my email address. I will support you as much as I can, and you will find all the information down in my description box. So enough of me waffling about everything, and let's just basically back to the video content. So first step is to add all required indicators which will help us to perform this powerful strategy. And all you have to do is just go on indicators and basically search buy signal and entry points. So once you applied it, as you can see on your chart, and it doesn't matter what kind of currency pair you will be choosing, you can backtest it on like demo accounts to see which one it suits you the best. But I'm currently on Euro USD 4-hour time frame, and that's the time frame you should be using for this specific strategy. And once you apply the indicator, as you can see, we have an indicator already showing us an areas where to enter a buy trade, but you know, there's a rules and steps to follow for this strategy, so let's just move on. So the other indicator that we will need is exponential moving average of period 200, and this EMA will show us how the trend is going. So just simply go on indicators and type in EMA. It will be the first one, and yes, for this specific indicator we will have to change the settings, so just change it from 9 to 200. Alright, so once you applied your indicators, your chart should look like this. And now for this strategy you must follow the rules, so make sure that if you need to stop the video, you make a notes of it, it's absolutely fine. So the rule number one, and as our indicator is telling us, you will be taking only buy trades and you will not be going against the indicator or against this rule, so you're not going to start looking for a sell trades. The rule number two, the golden spot for this strategy is on 4-hour time frame, and this is what I strongly suggest you to do, to trade on a 4-hourly time frame. So the rule number three is super important, that you only enter the trades when the candlesticks is above 200 exponential moving average. And the last rule you must follow is that you will apply only 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio for this strategy. So no rocket science over here, just 4 simple rules for you to follow to perform this strategy. Now what exactly you need to do is, every time you see an indicator giving you a buy signal, you will have to wait for that candle to close, and once you have it closed, then you're going to place your risk to reward zones. So for your stop loss is going to be the bottom of that closed candlestick, and your take profit will be 3 times higher for the reward. Alright, so let's say we are entering over here because this is an indicator telling us to buy. And just a quick tip from myself based on experience, try your best not to use emotions while you're using this strategy or even while you are trading, because yes, there will be times when you will lose, but remember, 1 to 3 ratio, you will lose, but you will lose a little, but once you win, you're gonna win big. And there are certain times where you can adjust your stop loss to break even, so you can maximize your profits if you are in the plus, but on certain times you just have to give the trade some room to breathe. But being a good Forex trader, and by using any Forex strategy, it's very important to basically manage your risk, and this is a huge part of being successful Forex trader. So you're probably looking into my screen and you're just thinking, but Christina, you told me you're gonna show me profitable Forex strategy. Yes, I will show you, and I will show you way better examples than this one, but I just want to basically show you that you're not always gonna win, and there'll be some times when you basically entering the trades and it's straight away going down. Like in this example, as you can see, yes, we would be entering a trade when our basically indicator told us to enter, but as you can see, it went up a little bit, but then the sellers pushed the price so hard that it straight away hit our stop loss. But we're not trading on emotions, so it's not a big deal right now. And if you're applying any kind of strategy, this is why I strongly suggest you to backtest on demo account and to see how it works for you on different currency pairs, etc. So let's see another example. Okay, let's say we will be entering on here, and we have a market above 200 exponential moving averages, and we also have indication with formed bullish engulfing candles, so we are going up. And in this scenario, let's just see how many we could be profiting. So we're just entering over here, and as you can see in this scenario, by entering a trade on a signal that the indicator told us, we would be profiting 128 pips. Of course, you could potentially drag it up to here where we'll be reaching 139, but don't forget to manage your risk. Alright, so here's another example. We're having a market above the 200 EMA. We have a clear indication with a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see how much we can make it if we enter over here. We would be profiting in around 100 pips using 1-to risk reward ratio and entering on a signal that the indicator told us to do. Let's just take a look on another example. So let's say over here we have a lovely bullish engulfing candle as well, and applying 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Let's see how much we would be profiting. So as you can see, this is where an indicator told us to enter, and we have a bullish engulfing candle, and we would be profiting 84.8 pips in our pocket. Alright, so let's actually add all the profits we made and to see how much we made in total by basically using this simple strategy for you to grow your small account. Of course, so the first trade went to the loss because we straight away reached our stop loss level. Well, the second one is in profit of 139.5. The third one is 100.5, and the last one is 84.8. So we would be in profit 324.8 pips. And as you can see, this strategy is super simple and easy to follow to build your small account, but remember to stay disciplined and don't get super upset if you lost a little bit, but manage your risk accordingly, or even backtest the strategy to see which pairs works the best for you, based on your budget and of the spreads you are paying. So if you did enjoy this video, smash the like button and comment down below. And once again guys, thank you for watching me, and I will talk to you later. Bye.